Hey, welcome back to Taylor Tanya, Mommy's in Yoga Pants. Today I have a great workout for you planned. Hey guys, so welcome back to Taylor Tanya, Mommy's in Yoga Pants. Today we are going to be working out our whole body. We are going to do a full body workout. We're going to stretch. Okay, so we're just going to start off with stretches, get our body warmed up. So put your legs about shoulder length apart, and we're just going to go down, bring your arms up, and as you bring your arms down, you're going to just kind of do a little squat there. Go up and down. Really stretch it out. Feel the stretch in your arms. All through here is a great stretch. Just really feel that stretch. Okay, a couple more times. Okay. So now, same thing, shoulder length, your legs are going to be about shoulder length apart. Squat just a little bit. You want to bend your knees. Okay, and we're just going to reach out to the side. Like you're reaching out and grabbing something. Pull it in. Really stretch and pull. Stretch and pull. There you go, you're doing it. Just really get into it. Really use those muscles. Good job, you guys are doing great. Now we're going to roll our shoulders. We're going to roll them back. Okay, and we're going to reverse and forward. Okay, and after you do that one, it gives you kind of a kink in your neck, so we're going to roll out our neck. Okay, so chin down. Make your head all the way around. Again. Other way. Okay, that feels good. Good stretch for your neck. Okay, so if you have something you can like prop your leg up on, I'm in my bedroom. I'm going to simply use my bed. Just prop my leg up, and I'm going to stretch over, touch my toes. You can use a chair, a table, a bed, anything that's stable. Make sure it's stable and it's not going to fall. Okay, other leg. Keep your knee a little bit bent. You don't want to overextend anything. Okay, so now touch those toes as far as you can go. All right, bring it back up slowly. Okay, so I feel like we're pretty stretched out now. So now we are going to get right into our workout. Now make sure you don't do anything that hurts. If it hurts you, don't do it. Don't overextend yourself, and make sure it's not pain. You're gonna have a little bit of uncomfortableness when you're exercising. It's not gonna feel wonderful, but it's gonna help you out a lot. So you definitely need to be exercising a few times a week. So we're gonna start off. We're just gonna kind of jog in place, but lift those knees. Come on guys, lift those knees up as high as you can get them. Okay, just keep doing it. Okay. Okay, take a little breather for a second. That got my heart going. I don't know about you. Now we're gonna do an old-fashioned exercise, but it does work. Jumping jacks, guys. And this is a fairly easy exercise, so you gotta kind of do it fast in order to profit from it, to get anything from it. So let's go ahead and do it. We're gonna do 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Woo! I am definitely getting my heart rate up. Okay, so this one, we're gonna tame it down just a little bit for a minute, let you get your breath back. Or my breath, maybe you're doing fine. Going to lift our leg to our elbow, like so. Okay, let's pick up the pace a little bit. Woo! It's so good, you guys, to exercise. You really need it. And walking from the couch to the fridge does not count. You gotta make an effort if you want something in this life. And I'm the first one to tell you that. Good things don't usually come easy. And if they do, it's probably not really easy in the long run. Okay. So now we are gonna lift our legs to the side. These are really easy exercises. They're not really strenuous, but they really do the trick. The key is movement. Have you heard the saying, a body in motion stays in motion? Well, a body at rest stays at rest. So we got to keep those bodies moving. All throughout the day, there's things you can do. Little exercises here and there. And a lot of my other videos, I do show you some exercises you can do throughout the day. So check this out. Okay. Woo! Take a little breather for a minute. Okay. Okay. So now we are going to do another exercise. Now this one, you are going to lift your leg up in the air. At the same time, you're going to bring your arms down. Now you want to make sure you keep your abdomen really tight. Keep all of your center tight through all of these exercises. That's very important. Now this is going to work out your abs, but standing up without having to do crunches or anything like that. So, arms up, just like so. There we go. Good job. You're doing a great job. Controlled movements, ab tight. It's like a standing crunch. Okay, and we're gonna go right in to another one here. This one, we are doing arms to the side, but we're bringing our knees up. Now you really want to put resistance in your arms, because this is how we're working out our arms. And nobody wants the flabby arms. You have to move them to get rid of it. Go. Okay, another exercise. This one is really good if you have back trouble, but don't do it if it's going to strain your back or hurt your back. But always get a doctor's approval before doing any exercise program. But this one I personally use every morning for my back, and it really does work. Stand with your feet about shoulder length apart, and we're just gonna roll around. Keep your abdomen tight though the whole time. Other way. It really does help my lower back. Okay, we're gonna work our booty. Okay, on these exercises, we are simply going to lift our leg to the back. You can keep your leg bent if you need to. You can also hold on to something for sturdiness if you need balance. Okay, we're gonna switch to the other side. Okay. Keep everything nice and tight. Okay. Moving right along. And we're going to take our arm and touch our toe. And up, touch your toe with the other arm. Repeat this. Okay. Okay, now we're going to work out our arms. So we're going to put our arms out to the side and we're going to turn some doorknobs. Okay? Turn. Just keep turning. Really tighten up your arms. Just like you're turning doorknobs. Okay, and now we're going to make a full arm motion all the way around. You're going to touch our arm like this. Go up, down, up, down. Really reduce resistance. Now, just like if you were using weights, but if you have weights, you can use them. If not, you don't have to. We're just going to be like we are. You can even sit for this one if you want. Really use that resistance. Okay, other side. Okay, all right. So I think that's gonna wrap it up for today. You just want to cool off, do some stretches, do some breathing. Let's go ahead and do that. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. One more time. Breathe in. And breathe out. And you did an awesome job. Pat yourself on the back. You did great. And don't forget, work out 3 or 4 times a week. Eat healthy. You can eat anything. Just eat it in moderation. Don't gorge on stuff. You know what I mean? So be careful. careful what you're putting in your body, because that's how your body's going to react. What goes in is how your body's going to be able to function. If you fill it with junk food and stuff that's not good, then your body's not going to feel good. But if you fill it up with bananas, apples, strawberries, whole grains, different foods you can eat that will give you energy, that will help you to feel better. So it's all related. Exercising, eating, sleeping, you need all of that in that